A very good afternoon, students. Now we are starting in organic compounds. One chapter is left, that is amines. Okay, so in amines the syllabus is reduced. In amines it will come as nomenclature, classification, structure, methods of preparation, physical and chemical properties, uses, identification of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. These things are coming in your syllabus. So first of all we should know what is the meaning of the amines. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom by alkyl or aryl group. In this one, two groups are present, alkyl also and aryl also. The replacement of 1, 2, 3 hydrogen atom by alkyl or aryl means is this primary, tertiary and secondary we have taken, and that thing will be changes with the alkyl group or with the aryl group. See the reaction here. The reaction is here. NH3 gives RNH2. R means alkyl group is present with R2NH and R3N. So here it will come first of all primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. So how we will do the replacement of it? We will do the replacement of it with the 4 atoms of hydrogen. Like here RR is present on this one side. What we will do? We can put here H also, and we can put here CH3 also. Means alkyl group we can put it. When we are doing the nomenclature of it, nomenclature means when we are giving a name, it is CH3NH2. So one carbon is present, it means already methane will come, so it is a methanamine. 1, 2, 3 carbons are present, methane, ethane, propanamine. 1, 2, 3 and here this one. So first of all this is lithium is putting on this one side. So what we can say, it is a propane to amine. Propane 2 amine, here NH2 is present here. Okay, in a 2 group NH2 is present. Okay, so that's why we are saying as 2 amine. CCN, CCC3 and H. Now we are taking the chain from which side? The 1, 2 carbon is here, then NH2, NH, this one we have taken NH. Here we are putting the 3. So for what will happen? Methane, ethane, propane. First of all we will take this one carbon, propane, NH group is present, amine, and 2 carbons are present on this side. That's why we are saying N-ethyl. Why N-ethyl is coming first? Because straight chain will come first, then the branch chain. So this is the nomenclature of it. After the nomenclature we can see these are the nomenclatures only. You can see these nomenclatures here. I will give a photo also of it. Nepentane 2,4-triamine. After this, aromatic amines are written by adding suffix amine to the name of aryl group or alkyl group. Okay, we are putting here suffix also. Now here you can see the diagram. NH2 is putting, so we are this one NH2 we are saying as aniline, also benzoamine. For this one we are saying now bromine is present on the 4 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bromine is present here. So we can say 4 bromo and NH2 is present here. We can say for single NH2 we can say aniline. So first of all we have put it here 4 bromo, then we have put it here aniline. Now other examples are also be like this. Next we are talking about the preparation. You can see the preparation. First is by Hofmann bromide. So in this one reaction is present. Hofmann we already completed in the naming of the reaction. So it is said to be RCONH2 react with bromine with potassium hydroxide. It is coming as NH2 KBr with K2CO3 and water. Next we are taking C2H5CONH2 means amine group we have taken. Reaction again with the bromine with the potassium hydroxide. The things are coming as C2H5NH2 with 2 KBr, 2 H2O plus K2CO2. Okay. Next is by Gabriel phthalimide. So this reactions is also be like that. So this is the examples of it. Learn these examples. So preparation is done by these things. First is by the Hofmann bromide, second is by Gabriel phthalimide, third is by reduction of amide. Reduction means we are doing the reduction. As one example you can see C2H5OH react with the sodium. When we are reacting it with the sodium, what the thing is coming? Methyl sodium, okay, C2H5ONa plus H, this will come. Next we are talking about the reduction of nitro compounds. In this one nitro compounds are reduced here in the primary amine, okay, by passing H2 as gas in the presence of divided Ni and Pt or Pd. Fine, we are adding these things. This thing is said to be the catalyst. So here the reaction is coming. RnO2. Now on our side we can put C2H5 also and CH3 also. So we have put it here CH3NO2, 3H2 in the presence of the nickel. NH2 means R will come first, CH3, then NH2, then 2H2. So this is the main reaction R. By this reaction you can put any other group also. Some reactions are given here also. Okay. After this, physical properties. First is solubility. Physical properties I showed you. Do by yourself of the physical properties. It is in your books also. Next we are giving this one reactions. Primary, secondary one. So in this one what will happen? 2R are present here with the H, HOH, H2O, R, HH and R. Okay, these are the two reactions. Note, in a note you can write down, alcohol are more soluble in water than primary amines. Okay, alcohol means OH group, when they are present it is directly soluble in water, but amine is not directly soluble in water. The reason behind this, because of the electronegativity of oxygen is more than that of the nitrogen. Oxygen negativity is more in which one? In alcohol rather than in amine. Okay, next is the boiling point. In a boiling point you can learn it. The boiling point diagram is present here. Which one will come first, second, third? Okay, they are asking you in a 1 marks question also, like amine is there, secondary, third is there. So which one is come first, which one is come second according to hydrogen bond? So we are saying as 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3. Next we are talking about the chemical properties. In the chemical properties we are talking about basic strength of it. Okay, we can say one question arises here. Explained by primary aliphatic amine are more reactive, more basic than ammonia. So it is said to be it was because of the aliphatic amine on nitrogen increased due to electron releasing effect. Okay, so we are saying as RnH2. This is there. Now here were very important questions. They have putting in a decreasing order and they have given this one. So when we putting in a decreasing order, it is written as 1 will come where, 2 will come and 3 will come. So next some more examples are also be there. So in this one, aniline is present with HX. On the X side we can put any other group also. So here it form a salt here. Now we do one example. RnH2 plus H2O gives RnH3 plus OH. So we are using here Kc. RnH2 H2. This one we have taken OH. RnH2 OH we have taken RnH2. Okay, better listen to me again. RnH3 will come here, OH will come here, this one portion product upside and reactant downside. So H2O we are said to be as constant. Then what will happen here? RnH3, OH, RnH2. Why water will not come? Because it is constant. Those things which is constant, it will go on left hand side and the thing is left this much. In this one we have to find out the Kb here. We can say RnH3 OH with RnH2, where Kb is directly proportional to basic strength. So this is very important one. Greater is the value of Kb, the stronger is the base. Okay, this we are talking about the amine. Some examples are here. Write down in these examples in your copy. Okay, then we are talking about the liquid phase. Okay, in this liquid phase they are asking only like this, that primary, secondary, tertiary given. They will ask like this, which is more stable, less stable, which is having a basic strength, decrease or increase. These things are coming. As we are talking about the basic strength here, we can say in a basic strength, like greater is the solubility. Okay, then greater and stronger is the corresponding amine. Okay, next we are talking here, after this one, all these things we are talking here is reaction. Okay, we are doing here any properties are going on. Okay, reaction with chloroform, CaCl3, 3KOH, it forms RNSC with 3KCl H2O. On the R side we are put it CH3 and H2, this one fully same, and it changes here CH3NC, 3KCl plus 3H2O. So other reactions are also be like this only. Try to do it in your copy. Fine. So I am giving this reaction already. Say primary, secondary, you can complete it by yourself. So very nicely I can say to you Hoffman mustard oil reaction. So in this one what will happen when a primary amine reacts with carbon disulfide? Primary amine react with carbon disulfide in presence of HgCl. Okay, so what it will formation takes place? Formation takes place is alkyl isocyanate. Next reaction with aryl. Primary amine gives an alkyl benzene. Okay, here it will give an alkyl benzene here. Benzene sulfonate soluble in alkyl. So we are using this one reaction. For this one reaction, second reaction we are using this. Again we are talking about the secondary amine and tertiary amine. So reaction of aromatic, this one is important, and these things please don't write after bromination. Next we are doing the some example more by the nitration, some example of the back side. Next we are talking about the diazonium salt. Diazonium salt, I think so it is not in your syllabus. It is not in your syllabus, diazonium salt. Okay, so what you will do, if you want to learn it you can see that, and you can, if you want to write down then you can, but it was not in your syllabus. Okay, so after this we are starting now. We are doing here replacement by hydroxyl group. Important means how the replacement is done by the hydroxyl means H2O. Replacement by NO2 means nitrogen dioxide. How we are replacing with HbF4. Coupling reaction already completed in the naming of the reaction. So in this one coupling of reaction will also come. Now there is some conversions of this one. Conversions, you write down these things in your copy. Already first is first bromopropane to second bromopropane. So here what we have done CH3 CH2 CH2Br in the presence of KOH, and form here is CH3 CH double bond CH2 HBr CH3 CHBr. So you see the conversion, already I have completed this conversions, and these one conversions of amine group. So that's why I'm saying that learn these conversions. Okay, after this more conversions are there. See more conversions. Acetone to alpha butyl alcohol, very important it was. Next is acetophenone to 2-phenyl second butanol. This is the reaction. Next this one. Okay beta, so all these things means naming of the reaction in a conversion, these things also become aniline to, they will ask to you like aniline may change into chlorobenzene, how? Then first of all aniline you have to make, this is aniline, you have to change into benzene like this. So this reaction fully will do and change into the benzene. Next is aniline to N-phenyl ethonate. Aniline is here, it may change into this one. So already we are doing the pyridine with CH3CO 2O and form here as ethanamide. Other reactions, aniline to phenol. Phenol means on a benzene ring OH group is present. Some here more conversions are there. So write down this one conversions. Okay, I am giving the conversions to you. So please you can write down these conversions. See the conversions here. These are the conversions of the amine group, but in the paper they are asking about the conversions also. They will ask to you like this, that they will ask like this, write the 3 conversions of amine group. Then you can write down this, like propanic change into 1 propanol. Propane, there is no shortcut of this one. Okay, so you have to learn these things and do the practice in the copy. So it is better to learn of these things. Okay, so we have completed the preparations, nomenclature, classification, primary, secondary amines, and uses you do by the yourself. Okay, and properties are also I have explained some. So thank you students, have a nice day, and these things write down in your copy.